so freaking pumped. Our tent rack is done. We have a whole nother stack of stuff that came. Our tent is here, obviously. We're like ready to like put this all together. It's gonna be freaking sweet. All right, we are almost there. I'm so excited, so excited to get this done. This rack is a one-of-one. So this was fully custom built, and I'm gonna show you guys a whole bunch of. I think I got a bunch of footage of actually the actual building of this rack. And there was I went back and forth because there was numerous like ones that I wanted, and then they didn't have quite exactly what I wanted, and then you had to kind of put them together. And I'm like, you know what? How sweet would it be to have like a full custom one? So here we go. We are just pulling in. I'm going to show you guys all of. I'll show you right here. Here's what went into building this rack, and then we get to see the rack, and then we're going to get it put on the truck. Hopefully, all the measurements. He took measurements before, but without having, he never had the truck there. We got the couple measurements and then that was it. So hopefully this thing lines up, everything works. If not, I know he'll be able to fix it. So all right, so check this out. So you guys got to see how this was made. Now look at this. All right, we're gonna get this put on, and we're gonna it should all fit. We're hoping.
Yeah, it should fit.
Yeah, like I said, he took like one measurement and wrote some stuff down, and that was it. So he did not have the truck here to do any of this. Alright guys, here it is. Look at that. So this turned out, I mean, like better than I had ever thought it was going to. And this is the man. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Thank you. And now we're gonna get a tent put on, so stay tuned.